This is just going to be a quick video on replacing electric wheelchair batteries. I got two brand new ones there I bought off Amazon. All electric wheelchairs are basically the same. The batteries tend to last about 3 years probably. And here is a quick tutorial on replacing them. First thing is just getting the seat off. Most of the time you can just pull the release that allows you to turn it from side to side and then just lift up. They just set it in there. There's long enough. You can just lay it to the side. Let's see, hopefully we'll pull the charging cable. Yeah, it comes off pretty easy, I think. So we will do it. And you just slip the cover off. Most of them just held down with Velcro, or they just set on there. As you can see, it's pretty simple. Batteries, you can unplug it there, then just set them out. These happen to be 7/16. And the new bolts are 10mm. Make sure you get the boot back on there so that you don't get any arcs. They just need to be snugged down. They don't have to be really tight. It's just lead, so it's soft. And there's the cables installed. Now, set them in like that. They just, on this one, they just sit there. They don't even strap down. Then you just plug them back in. Black to black, white to white. And that's it. Then you just put the cover back on. Again, it just sets down there. And the seat. And then according to how your chair is, I don't know how many plugs or what kind of plugs yours may have. On this one, you plug that in. Plug that in, they'll only go one way. And then I generally, on these, that the charger's built in, I just leave that plugged in. So then you need to remember to engage these things back. Just like that. Now let's see if it'll work. Looky there. All fixed. Good as new. So putting batteries in is as simple as that. You don't need any special tools, just a couple of wrenches. Anybody can do it. Hope this helps. Thanks. And remember to subscribe and like the video if it was helpful. That way more people will see it and all that stuff. Thanks.